Hi there, it's Darren O'Neill from Darren's Tech Tutorials on darrenoneil.eu. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to install Hyper-V on Windows 10. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to follow the guide here from Microsoft, and I'll link that below where you can get it. So you can see some of the requirements here. They have that Windows 10 Enterprise Pro or Education, and there's a couple of different options here. So what I'll do is I'll just follow the GUI option. I'm just going to click my start menu here. I'm going to type in programs and features. We'll click on add programs and features. We'll come up to the upper right here where it says programs and features. And then we're going to click turn Windows features on and off. Okay. And then what we're going to do is we're going to click this little plus for Hyper-V. Make sure we select both of these. We'll click OK. And then we can see it will begin to do its thing. So what I'll do is I'll pause the video while this is working. Okay, so we can see this looks good. It's saying it now needs to reboot my PC. So what I'll do is I'll stop the video here and we'll catch up in 2 minutes after I reboot the PC. Okay, so we're back here now. So let's have a look and see did this work as we expect. Okay, so I'm going to click on the start menu here and I'm going to search for Hyper-V. And we see Hyper-V Manager now appears. So let me just click on that. Perfect. And we can see we now have Hyper-V ready to use on our machine. So that's a very quick video on how to enable Hyper-V on Windows 10. I do hope it was useful. Any questions or comments, please do comment below. And if I can help, I certainly will. And as always, thank you for watching.